Hi, for this episode, we'll talk about padding. Padding is also used for spacing, but padding affects inside of element, not outside. To start, let's create sample layout, and let's also apply what we learned from previous episode, which is margin. Again, let's add some borders and fixed width. Now, let's create a class, middle and right. Prefix with dot if it is a class, and prefix with number sign if it is an ID. So let's try to use ID. Now, let's apply centering elements and pulling element to the right using margin. Using this shorthand, the pattern is top, right, bottom, and left. It's like a clockwise rotation. We also have the shorthand top and bottom and right and left. Okay, let's apply the created class to our HTML. And for this is ID. So now, let's apply the padding. This is how padding works. So again, margin affects outside of element borders, while padding affects inside the element. And that's it for padding. Hope you guys learn. Thank you for watching. See you on my next episode, which is display, inline, and inline block.